Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Netvue Orb camera for the first time. And we'll begin the setup with the Android smartphone. Here I downloaded Netvue app from the Google Play Store on my device. If you have any other store, you can look for this app. So download it and open it. Next thing is to prepare the power source, which is the USB mini. You need to connect it to the power source and then into the camera right here at the bottom. But actually, let's wait. Click on the plus button to add the camera for the app and enter indoor cameras. Go for Orb Cam, scan QR code, and here at the back of your camera you have this QR code which you need to scan with your phone. Now the Orb Mini is detected, so we can set up this device. Our router is close and I'm using the 2.4 Wi-Fi because it won't work on any 5G networks. Now if you can connect your device now on the back, like I've said, and wait about 15 seconds till you hear the prompt tone. I heard it. Now we can connect our Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Connect Wi-Fi. And from here, if you're not hearing any constant clicking sound, your camera is silent like mine, you should take out this box you should take this zip bag from the box, and inside there should be a needle like this. Now locate the reset button on top of your camera and stick it right here. Press it once and the constant clicking sound should begin. You can click yes, generate QR code. Now pick up your phone and try to scan this QR code with the camera.
Wi-Fi connection failed. Error code 1. Please check on it. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Sometimes this error happens.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
A few times I've set it up, it happened as well. So just wait until it till it successfully connects back to the server.
Registering device. Success. Enjoy the smart life.
Now let's try scanning it again. Or I guess it might actually connect now, so let's click on Heard Sound. And now it should start connecting to your router. Yeah, so if you have this error, it means you basically already connected it, so you don't need to scan it again. Now you can name this device, for example, like a baby room, if you place it in your baby room, or customize a different name. I'm gonna go for living room and click on OK. From here, this device is ready and we can manage its settings or watch it or move the gimbal or whatever. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.